We also got this gorgeous MC22 in the Rothmans livery. It's not running, so it tries to start. All right, that to me tells me straight away fouled plug or fouled plugs, and also blocked carby. Now I've had a look inside the tank; it's a bit rusty in there, so our first thing is we're going to take the tank off and get this tank on the electrolysis to clean it out, because to do a good job it takes about 3 or 4 days. So I'll do that first, and in the meantime I can strip the carby down and have a look and take the plugs out, and while the plugs are out I'll have a quick squizzy inside the engine and have a look. So we'll get back on the Rothmans CBR. So what we're doing, got the tank off, it's on its cleaner, so I'm going to pop this airbox lid off and get the carbies off, go from there. Yeah, typical. No air filter in that, sub filter. Right, starting left hand fairing. This one behind the side stand. How cute's this? Little combi. Right, give a bit of a heat, see what happens. Oh, just direct some heat in there. Alright. Yes. Got there. Once you get one off, it should. You have to get it pop off. Right, choke cable. Lift the carbies up. I'll put bungs in it because it doesn't take much to fall in there. Once something falls in there, you have all sorts of issues. We'll get under the valve seat. Huh. That shouldn't do that. It's brokens. Yes. Yummy. Does not feel good. Yes. Oh, sweating then. Ooh, it's warm. Oh, that one hurt my elbow. You don't have much room to grab it, but I just got. It's a good result because I didn't want to drill this out. If I have to, I would. Introducing another issue. Man, that was tight. Yeah, these are the carbies before they go in ultrasonic cleaner. So the whole point is to get them clean before they go in, so you're not trying to ultrasonic clean them in creek water. Yeah, that one there, it didn't clean up, so off to the soda. Alright, so the carbies are all cleaned, or just putting them back together now. On, let's see if she'll start. Not bad. Alright, play around with some tuning and off we go. Here we go, cold start. Running perfectly now. Goes up. So it's still a bit cold, but she's running really nice. It's got that nice hunt to it. Well, that's it. All ready to go. Just took it for a quick lap. Pulls really well. Very, very happy with the result. And the owner's going to be stoked. Yeah, the bike's still settling in. It's been sitting around for a bit, so once his bike sits around for a bit, the rings get all funny. But no, very, very happy with the results. The owner's going to be happy, so happy days. All right, catch you guys. Bye.